What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to get the still image or the photo from the video in Canva. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do here, you can start to open your Canva account, and after that I will start to click this video here, and I will choose the orientation to be landscape, and it will direct you into this new tab to start off the project or the video editing guys. And you can start to upload your favorite video here, or you can also use the video that has been provided or being saved into this library of this Canva. So I will look for it from this element, and after that you can start to put your, let's say, the category of the video, maybe about the flowers, cooking, cats. You can put it anything here, and for example I will choose this one. And after that, this will be the video we have from this Canva, and I will start to make or download the picture from this video. So I will click this share, and after that go to this download, and you will find this file type. So you can start to click this drop down and choose the JPEG or the PNG format with it, which is the format of the picture. So for example I will choose this one, and you can also adjust the size, quality, and limit file size, and also the preferences. And you can continue to click download, and kindly wait for the process. So it's gonna only consume maybe 10 seconds, and finally the picture from this video is ready to use. You can open it, and this will be the picture we have now. Isn't that cute, right? So don't forget to try this tutorial, and I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.